The colossal steel blocks produced on this planet are not just machines. They symbolize the strength and creativity of humanity. We are not merely tools on the construction site. We are also a source of inspiration in everyday life. Behind our robust exterior lies an unwavering passion, transforming each project into a vibrant and marvelous work of digital art. The DX255 LC-3 excavator, being one of the mightiest, featuring a 190 horsepower engine, complemented by the Echidna D5HP hydraulic saw, renowned as one of the most powerful in the market, with a maximum cutting depth of 18 inches and a cutting width of 36 inches, demonstrates impressive strength for tasks requiring strength. The Doosan DX255 LC-3 excavator with the Echidna D5HP hydraulic saw. Appeal doesn't stop at power alone, but it also excels in versatility, from demolition to concrete cutting, road and bridge construction, mining, quarrying, and forestry. This combination adapts effortlessly to diverse applications. The Sumitomo SH220 hydraulic excavator stands out as a powerful and versatile workhorse in the world of construction and demolition. With a robust 153 horsepower Isuzu engine, the SH220 excels in demanding applications, such as excavating and demolition. The SH220 also boasts a high-flow hydraulic system, delivering enhanced power to its attachments, like buckets, breakers, and shears. The Sumitomo SH220 hydraulic excavator, a popular choice among construction and demolition contractors, distinguishes itself with its blend of power, reliability, and user-friendliness. The Sumitomo SH220 embodies the perfect blend of power and efficiency, making it an indispensable asset for construction and demolition. The Caterpillar 5110B demolition excavator, armed with its triple boom and formidable big scrap shear, commands a distinguished position as one of the globe's most extensive and potent demolition machines. Boasting and featuring an operating weight of 112.500 kilograms, the engine power is 634 kilowatts with a maximum reach of 36.5 meters, a lifting capacity of 27.2 tons, and a hydraulic shear cutting force of 2000 kN. Tailored for the deconstruction of towering structures, this triple boom proves invaluable in high-rise demolition tasks. This colossal machine epitomizes power, adaptability, and efficiency, custom crafted for the most demanding demolition tasks. The Alpine RockWheel D30 is a hydraulic cutting unit that stands out as a versatile powerhouse for excavators in the 26 to 38 ton range. The RockWheel D30 boasts a compact and lightweight design, making it highly transportable and easily mounted on excavators. The RockWheel D30 can tackle various applications, from demolition to rock and concrete cutting, soil mixing, and trenching. The Alpine RockWheel D30 is taking on rock or concrete, breaking down structures, or preparing the ground. This machine offers reliability and efficiency in one formidable package. In the world of civil engineering and demolition, the Alpine RockWheel D30 stands as a powerful, versatile solution that excels. The combination of Komatsu PC1250 excavator and CAT 777F tractor truck in quarrying operations is a formidable duo that brings outstanding efficiency. The Komatsu PC1250 excavator is a remarkable machine with outstanding advantages that stem from its powerful hydraulic system. which enables precise and rapid digging and loading operations. The excavator's heavy-duty bucket and strong hydraulic arm are the components that make it truly unique, allowing it to handle substantial volumes of material with ease. The CAT 777F haul truck, on the other hand, shines with its large payload capacity, efficient powertrain, which reduces the need for manual labor and accelerates the quarrying process. Together, these machines form a dynamic duo, efficiently extracting, loading, and transporting materials in a quarry, ensuring productivity and safety for the operators. The Powerscreen Warrior 1400X is a standout in the 20-ton segment, offering a winning combination of versatility and high-performance screening capabilities. A spacious 1400mm x 4000mm screen box and powerful hydraulic system provides the necessary force to screen even the toughest substances. With a robust 110 kilowatt power and a weight of 35,000 kilograms, it is a heavy-duty performer. With the largest screen boxes in its class, equipped with high-capacity capability to tackle a wide range of materials. This machine is of the highest performance and very versatile, standing out for its exceptional screen box capacity, hydraulic power, and adaptability to diverse needs. With its impressive 22-ton payload capacity, the Morooka MST2200VD crawler dumper stands as a symbol of power, reliability, and adaptability in the heavy equipment world. With 188 horsepower, that drives this machine forward at a maximum speed of 11.8 miles per hour, making it a force to be reckoned with. The articulated frame gives this dumper exceptional maneuverability, ensuring it can navigate through confined spaces with ease. Its hydrostatic transmission offers precise control, enhancing overall operational efficiency. Independent suspension on all four wheels translates into a smoother ride, even on rough terrains, and superior traction. With an exceptional reach extending up to 10.6 meters, the KMC 2600 material handler ensures that all materials in distant or hard-to-reach locations are within easy reach, addressing a variety of tasks, including loading trucks or accessing materials in challenging spots. Its compact and flexible design makes it the perfect choice for maneuvering in confined spaces, like bustling construction sites and tight demolition areas. The KMC 2600 is not only robust, but also user-friendly, with a spacious cabin design and excellent visibility. This reduces downtime and ensures smooth operations. In summary, the KMC 2600 is an indispensable solution for a wide range of applications that demand precision and reliability. The Hitachi ZX870-3 is a true behemoth in the world of excavators, boasting an impressive operating weight of 87.2 tons and a robust 490 horsepower engine. It stands ready to conquer the most demanding demolition and excavation tasks. The ZX870-3's heart lies in its powerful engine and hydraulic system, crafted to tackle the toughest of materials. Its durability and reliability ensures it can withstand the rigors of demolition work. The Hitachi ZX870-3 stands as a symbol of power, versatility, and reliability, ideally suited for a broad spectrum of demolition and excavation endeavors, and is truly a giant among giants. Ready to take on the world's toughest challenges? The E-Crane EH7290 stands out with its remarkable 29-meter reach, a true game-changer in the world of heavy lifting for marine and port operations, and challenging material handling. Its fully electric drivetrain eliminates traditional diesel power, resulting in zero emissions and a reduced environmental footprint. Additionally, its electric design enhances reliability by minimizing moving parts and reducing maintenance, ensuring minimal downtime. This innovative design not only benefits the environment, but also leads to fuel efficiency, cost, and efficient solutions. In closing, we extend our gratitude to the advancement of today's technology, making the world's largest heavy machinery a reality. These colossal machines play a pivotal role in diverse industries and the global economy's infrastructure. To keep exploring in future episodes, kindly show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.